Well, hello everybody. This is your pal Patrick, and I just want to show you how I made this looping background using my Nintendo Switch, Virtual Dub, and a bit of script I found online. You ready? Okay. Here we go. All right. So this is one of the 30-second clips that I captured from Animal Crossing New Horizon. It's the office scene. It's Tom Nook and Isabella. And I'm going to show you what I did to make that happen, to make that background. Now keep in mind, I don't know if this is something you can use in a live stream or in a video. I don't know if this is copyrighted, but I'm going to show you how I did it. You are watching this on YouTube, so hopefully it's not a big deal. So what I started off with, I imported the 30-second clip. I have both views here. You don't really need it, but because this is for this will show all the filters that were added, and this is the original. I'm not adding filters, so I'm just going to have two images here showing the same thing. What I did in the last background is well, first of all, I would play it. And after playing it, I would look at the beginning and the end. Whoops! I am actually clicking on the wrong thing. I would look at the beginning and the end, to see what kind of animation, or where the animation starts here, and I take it all the way to the end here and see where the animation ends. It looks like the animation ends with that bubble, that little bubble, and Tom Nook seems to be looking straight ahead. So let's go back over here, see where the animation starts. It's pretty much the same spot. So let me go back. Okay. I'm going to go frame by frame until it looks like oh wait. Yeah. Oops. So I'm going to have to rewind this a bit. I'll do frame by frame to find out let me go back one more to see if that's where that bubble originates from, if they originate in the same spot. They seem to originate in the same spot. Uh-oh. Oh, check that out. Okay, so that one... Oh, no, that was me. Okay, that was my bad. They don't originate in the same spot. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead. Now let me just... Sorry for the rambling, guys. Okay, that's, oh, right at the tip of the nose. So I need to find one that goes back to the tip of the nose there. This is the one. I think that's it. I think that's where I need to stop it. If I do this, I just want to make sure I got it. I don't know, actually. Because that one is smaller. You know what? We'll just leave it there. We'll leave it there. Delete it. And now I have... Oops, let's bring it back to the beginning. And so now I have a shorter clip. Oh, Wait a minute, where's the play button? There it is. Now, when I save this, I'm not going to save this with the audio. Okay. I like that. I can live with that. We see that it ends there. Let's see what it looks like over here. Wait a minute. That is, I think I need to take a little more off. I think I took a little too much off. Or not enough. I don't know. I was comparing it to the wrong thing. I should have been comparing it to the beginning. There we go. So that is, yeah, there we go. So it's about right there. So I'm going to back it up maybe 2 frames. Maybe 1. Yeah. Sorry guys, I was comparing it to the wrong thing. It might have been better to try to compare it with Tom Nook's animations, but I'm not going to get too deep in the weeds on this. Yeah, okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause this and save this as an old format AVI. And then from there, I'm going to open up a simple script. Hang on, guys. Okay, so let's talk about a couple of things here. First and foremost, to make this work, to convert this into WebM, you're going to need to download and install the FFmpeg codec. And from there, you'll notice that I have a bit of CMOS code, or a script at the bottom there. Command prompt script, Windows command prompt script. Now, I don't know what the equivalent is for Apple, so let me go ahead and apologize for that, but I'm sure you guys can find out what to do and how to do it. But this is the script for converting videos into WebM format. And you'll notice that I have some inputs here. That's because I created a little script to kind of, how should I say, customize my experience. So as you're looking at this, you can see that when I run my script, I have the choices of the videos popping up right here. Part of the script is to show all the videos that are in that folder, and I can just pick whatever I want from that. So I made ACNH background 2. The AVI file is 1.69 gigs. This is the one I want to convert, so I'm going to come over here, I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit Control C and then Control V to paste it in place and press Enter. And it says, let's talk quality. Now, all of this information I have in here, the scale is between 0 and 63. 0 is the best quality with the largest size. 63 is the polar opposite. Look, this is just the stuff that I read and I learned from reading. This is not stuff that I know. So if it's incorrect, you know, my bad. But here I'm going to put 10. Do you know the bit rate you want to use? And then I give an example of the different formats. I can use kilobytes or megabytes. I'm going to go ahead and stick with 3 megabytes. What's the output name? So I'm going to hit Control V again, and this time backspace to take off the format, the file format, because it's set to automatically put the correct file format at the end when it goes to save the converted file. I press Enter. Do you want to keep the audio? I'm going to say no. You'll notice down at the bottom here, where is it? I don't know which one of these actually does the audio. I think it's the one. Well, you know what? I don't know. Maybe it's the con rate. Anyway, we're just going to go ahead and I said no, so I'm going to hit enter. Now it's doing its thing. This is going to take a few minutes, so we will come back and see what's going on, okay? Hang tight, guys. Hang tight. And we're back. We are completely done with this. We've gone from 1.69 down to roughly 4 megabytes. You can see that here. I think the official size is 4.93. It's asking us if we want to do another one. I'm going to hit no. Oh, wait. No, I gotta... It's gone. But that's okay. We don't need to be there. So let's come back to the webcam. All right. So let's take a look at what we did. Now, I have added a scene here. It's, a source to this scene, a media source. And right now, the media source is playing the backdrop or the loop that you're seeing now. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change it. And I'm going to hit OK. Let's see. There it is. All right. So we're going to see just how this looks. We're going to let this run for a little while and let's see if I came close to making it look nice. Here we go. Tom Nook is a little jarring, but Isabella's snoring is okay. So it's all right. I can live with that. I don't need it to be perfect. So that's how I did this. Now, if you guys want to learn, if you guys want the script that I use to convert to WebM, I will post that in the description down below. Keep in mind, it's a very simple command prompt script for Windows. I'm sure PowerShell might have more tools, might be more powerful, might be faster. I don't know. Just so many different things you can do. And unfortunately, I don't know what the equivalent is for Apple or Linux. Okay, I only know about Windows. So if you're using a Windows laptop or Windows machine and you want to be able to do this, then this is the tool for you. Otherwise, do a little research like I did. You'll be able to find it, but I will put the link to the script that I made down in the description below. I'm getting tongue-tied. That means it's time for me to end this. Thank you, everybody, for watching this. It is much appreciated. You all have a great day.